tell her every day. Yeah, I know when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Birthday mo pala ngayon. Kalimutan ko. Pero kailangan ganda mo ma eh. Ganda mo, padala ka na. Alam mo, thank you sa pagpapaaral sa akin. Pagbubutihan ko naman ingat ka palagi dyan. Ingat ka lang. I love you. Bye bye. Happy birthday mama.
Happy birthday.
And I tell her every day. Oh, you know I'd never ask you to change. If perfect's what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you
Hello mama. Happy birthday. Babatiin lang kita. Sabi birthday mo eh. Hello kung gumaganda. Ikaw Ayun magpapakabait pa ako kung kulang pa yung bait ko papakabait pa ako sobra. Yes na ayun. Ayun mama. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Sana gustuhan mo itong ginawa ko para sa birthday mo. Bye bye. Love you.